and today's video we are going to be showing you on how to make a very trending photo. Now for this very trending video that's going on, we have a app from the Play Store called Photolab. So go into your Play Store, search for Photolab, and this is of course the app. Go ahead and download it. I've already downloaded it. So go into your Photolab and of course go into your trending, or you can go ahead and click on new right down here in AI cartoons, and it's going to go ahead and load, and you can click on I want my cartoon. Now here of course these are all the trending ones which are going on. So yours, the one that you might want might not be on the top, so you should go ahead and scroll down a bit. So mine is already here, so you can go ahead and click on whatever photo you want. And then I'm going to click on, let's say this one. No, not this one, sorry. This one. And then it's going to go ahead and process. So it's going to go ahead and take a while. Processing, almost done. And there we go. So this is our trending video, photo. So you can go ahead and add text. So I'm going to go ahead and type Yua world, okay, and then you can go also change the font. So I'm going to go ahead and change the font, so something that matches with my shirt, which is kind of like this, or you can change something like this. So I kind of like this one. You can click on the tick mark and apply. You can also add more stuff like animations. So I'm going to go ahead and add, let's say this one, the snow. So it's going to go ahead and process, and then there we go. Click on the tick mark and say apply, and there we go. So this is what we have. You can also add more text, but I have already enough text. And then you can go ahead, go here, and the three dots that are on the very top, save to your device, and yes, I got it. Download real quick, and here is the Photolab Pro, which is paid version. And then all you need to do is go into your pictures, go into your Photolab, and there you go. You have your animation with the trending photo in the background, which is pretty cool. Now I have made several more with a different font. As you can see, we have many. We have this one, we have this one, we have this one. So these are all like the trending photo that is going on right now. So that's pretty much it for this video. Now I hope this video was helpful for you on how to make this awesome trending photo. So make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notifications, comment down below if this video was helpful or not, and also comment down below if you want a shout out, because in the next video we will be doing a shout out. And also subscribe to my second channel and follow me on Instagram, and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.